Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to remove Yahoo Search from Microsoft Edge browser. So with that being said, let's get started. If you try to open new tab on your Microsoft Edge browser and it's redirecting you to yahoo.com or Yahoo Search, and anything you search on the Edge browser, if it redirects you to the Yahoo Search, then you can simply follow this video to fix it. For that, simply click on this three dot icon, then click on extension option. Here click on manage extensions, and here look for extension related to Yahoo, like Yahoo Search, Yahoo Homepage or Yahoo extension. Simply remove the extension by clicking on remove button, and here click on remove. After that, click on three dot icon, then click on settings. Now click on privacy and search, then scroll down to the services section, and here click on address bar and search option, and from the search engine used in address bar drop down menu, simply select Bing, and after that the issue will be fixed. However, if you are still facing the issue, then you can simply reset Microsoft Edge browser to the default settings. For that, simply open settings page and click on reset settings, and here click on restore settings to their default values, and here click on reset. After that, the issue will be fixed. So that's it. This is how you can remove Yahoo Search from Microsoft Edge browser. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.